So here we are about to do a little bit of wine tasting with Simon Tam, head of wine for Christie's China. We have 3 great vintages here. Take us through what are some of the telltale signs that investors need to look out for. Very interesting. We have 1989, 1985, and it's a white from Haut-Brion, and then we've got Pomard as well.
Absolutely. I think this is a very lovely selection of wines, and they come from some of the finest vintages of the last couple of decades. And one of the things that I think investors certainly can look out for is how long would the wine's life last in the bottle. In other words, can the wine age indefinitely? When is its prime? Because for resale value, you need to be able to release onto the market at the right time to realize the best return. So for example,
Margaux 1989, and you've got an Haut-Brion 1985, a white that's been aged.
It is very, very unusual to have an old white of this sort of magnitude, and for white wine that actually preserves its value very, very well. Of course, it has to be kept in optimum condition. We talk about provenance and provenance and provenance. It must be well brought up. The Margaux, for example, this Chateau Palmer 1989, if you can see, it is actually very well presented. Sometimes we take a little bit, make a bit of a discount when the label is scuffed or if it is moldy, but most of the time it's what's really inside the bottle that counts. So don't judge the bottle by the cover.
Okay.
You need to really find out from your supplier or from wherever you're buying the wines from how it was stored.
And is this normal between the red, Margaux 1989 and Haut-Brion 1985? There's a difference in the level. What does that really mean?
That's a very good point. The outlage, as we call it in the industry, signifies how well stored the wine has been. When the cork is in contact with the wine over a period of time, it gets a little bit thirsty. So it steals a little bit of wine to drink. Now, this 1985 at the bottom neck is acceptable. Any lower would not be. However, if you have a 1985 and the level is high into the neck, that is very pristine in condition. And that would command a slight premium. Cheers.
Thank you.